A more than $17 million gift from Ballad Health to East Tennessee State University will go toward helping victims of adverse childhood experiences, or ACEs. Febin Casahoon attended a presentation. She joins us now live in the studio with more on how this donation will be used.
Sarah, because there isn't much data about adverse childhood experiences and childhood trauma, Ballad Health and ETSU are forming an alliance to try to address the root cause. They hope to be the leading region in the country in being trauma aware and being responsive to the issue.
The goal, to make life better for children in Northeast Tennessee and Southwest Virginia.
A child's brain is developing in the first 3 years of life. It's being hardwired.
Ballad Health CEO Alan Levine says it's important to address the need for children to have basic necessities like good parenting, good nutrition, and family support throughout the early stages of childhood.
When those things aren't there, that child's brain is being hardwired to defend itself. Those are really good instincts for a child to protect themselves, but they carry that into adulthood. And if that isn't addressed, and if it isn't minimized, you've created another generation of somebody who's going to lose hope.
ETSU President Dr. Brian Noland announced the establishment of the Strong Brain Institute. BRAIN standing for Building Resilience through ACEs-informed networking.
As we're bringing students back this fall to classrooms K-12 and higher ed all across the region, that power of language, the understanding of history and how those two come together can help us navigate what I think will be some very rocky waters.
ETSU psychology professor Dr. Wally Dixon will be the director.
I learned that the more ACEs a person has, the more at risk they become for debilitating illnesses and diseases, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, substance use, and mental illness. In fact, individuals with six or more ACEs are likely to die 20 years earlier than individuals whose childhoods were ACEs-free.
The leaders are calling on other nonprofits, political leaders, and faith-based leaders to help.
In order to one day come back to this place and be able to answer with confidence, the children of Northeast Tennessee and Southwest Virginia are well.
The Strong Brain Institute will be located on ETSU's main campus. In addition to Dr. Dixon, the Institute staff will include a postdoctoral researcher and a coordinator of research and services.